Start the letter S and the letter E. Smartie cookie. We always see the grass and the sky and the benches and the flowers everywhere. But have you ever noticed beneath your feet there's actually ant houses? They build it, and inside are soldier ants using building materials and getting food. They're actually everywhere, even if you don't notice them. Hey, look at the soldier ants. They can carry 50 times more weight. They are the strongest insects. This is an ant. They usually don't bite, but if they're threatened, they bite. It's just a little pain. There are 3 different types of ants: soldier ants, worker ants, and queen ants. There is only one queen ant. This might be a queen ant. If the queen ant dies, all the colony dies. But actually, the queen ant can live for 30 years. They are carrying food for winter. Even though winter isn't coming nearby, they still have to prepare for winter because who knows? Winter is coming. When winter comes, all of the ants go in their ant hive or under tree branches, and they stick together and stay warm and eat what they gathered up from spring. Do you know that ants can live underwater for 2 weeks? These ants are communicating just like humans, but they use it with their antennas. And remember that story of the ant and the grasshopper? They're not being like the grasshopper, they're being like the ant. Because they are ants. Hey, look at the ant, it's carrying rice. Oh no, it's carrying an egg. This is an egg from another colony, and when it grows up, it's gonna be a soldier ant. That is so mean. That ant is a thief. Catch it. Hey, look at this ant. It's carrying food. They eat bugs and plant food, bees and worms, and they're omnivores. And they eat what humans eat. They must love donuts like me. Can you ever spot an ant? They can be camouflaged to protect themselves from other animals that want to eat the ants. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for themselves and one for sharing, to share food. Ants are so cool. They're so hardworking. I wish I could go inside their hive and see everything inside it.